Welcome to a journey through time, as we explore the complete and somewhat unusual history of protein powder and protein supplements. This voyage takes us back to the mid-20th century when the idea of protein-enriched products was just a glimmer in the eyes of health food pioneers. Since then, protein powders have evolved in tandem with our understanding of nutrition, science, and athletic performance. The importance of protein in our diets cannot be understated. It's the building block of our bodies, crucial for muscle growth, repair, and overall health. And as our fitness landscapes have evolved, so too have the ways we incorporate protein into our diets. Enter protein supplements, the convenient, often tasty, and decidedly modern way to meet our protein needs. From humble beginnings to a multi-billion-dollar industry, protein powders have become a mainstay in our pantries and gym bags. They've journeyed from the realms of bodybuilding niche to a staple in the diets of the health-conscious masses. Today, whether you're a professional athlete or a casual gym goer, chances are you've had a shake or two, so buckle up as we delve into the history of these powders and shakes that have become a significant part of our fitness lifestyle. Before we go any further, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Our story begins in 1946 with health food enthusiast Paul Bragg, a man whose passion for nutrition led him to pioneer a concept that would eventually become a cornerstone of sports nutrition: protein powders. Bragg's vision was introduced to Bob Hoffman, a name that would soon become synonymous with protein supplementation. Together they embarked on a journey to create the first protein-enriched products. These were not the finely milled, deliciously flavored powders we know today. Oh no, these were rudimentary concoctions, a far cry from the palatable powders we have now. But they were the start of something big, a shift in the way athletes and fitness enthusiasts would fuel their bodies. The initial reception to these protein products was mixed. Some embraced the innovation, intrigued by the potential for enhanced performance and recovery. Others were skeptical, viewing these supplements as unnecessary, even potentially harmful. But as with any innovation, it takes time for acceptance and understanding to grow. Despite the mixed reactions, Bragg and Hoffman persisted, refining their formulations and advocating for the benefits of protein supplementation. They believed that by providing the body with this essential macronutrient in a concentrated form, they could support muscle growth and repair, and fuel athletic performance like never before. And so the seed of protein supplementation was sown, setting the stage for a fitness revolution. The humble beginnings of protein powders in the mid-20th century were just the start of a journey that would see them become an integral part of the modern fitness landscape. But that's a story for another time. Thus, the seed of protein supplementation was sown, setting the stage for a fitness revolution. The popularity of protein powders didn't just spring up overnight. It's a story of steady growth, fueled by innovation, marketing, and an increasingly health-conscious society. The market for protein powders has seen a remarkable expansion over the years. What began as a niche product primarily targeted at bodybuilders and athletes has blossomed into a multi-billion-dollar industry. This growth can be attributed to the emergence of various brands and formulations, each bringing their unique approach and ingredients to the table. From the early days of basic milk and egg proteins, we've witnessed an evolution to more sophisticated blends. Brands started experimenting with different types of proteins like whey and casein, and even ventured into plant-based options like soy and pea protein. This diversification not only catered to a broader audience but also allowed for customization based on individual dietary needs and preferences. But the rise in popularity of protein powders isn't solely a tale of product innovation. It's also closely tied to the growing interest in fitness and bodybuilding. As these communities expanded, so did the demand for convenient and effective nutritional supplements. Protein powders, with their promise of muscle growth and recovery, fit the bill perfectly. Bodybuilders and fitness enthusiasts became the early adopters of protein powders. They saw firsthand the benefits of these supplements and their potential to boost performance. Their stamp of approval played a pivotal role in popularizing protein powders. As they flexed their muscles, the world took notice, and protein powders started gaining traction outside the gym as well. In the blink of an eye, protein powders were no longer just for the muscle-bound or athletically inclined. They became a staple for anyone looking to enhance their diet, from busy professionals seeking a quick meal replacement to health-conscious individuals aiming for optimal nutrition. As the fitness community embraced these products, protein powders began to muscle their way into mainstream consciousness. Like any revolution, the rise of protein powders faced its fair share of challenges. From the outset, product quality was a significant roadblock. In the early days, the taste and texture of protein powders left much to be desired. Picture consuming a chalky substance that was often hard to digest. This was the reality for many fitness enthusiasts who were early adopters of these supplements. Yet, the desire for enhanced physical performance and bodybuilding gains pushed many to endure these less-than-ideal conditions. Many of these individuals were willing to overlook the initial unpleasantness for the promise of better results. But the challenges didn't stop at subpar product quality. Protein powders were soon ensnared in a growing controversy: the use of performance-enhancing substances. As the fitness and bodybuilding communities grew, so too did the pressure for individuals to perform at their peak. This led some to turn to steroids, a move that cast a long and dark shadow over the entire industry. Performance-enhancing substances like steroids offered a quick and significant boost to muscle growth and strength, but they also came with a host of side effects, including liver damage, cardiovascular issues, and even psychological effects. As news of these risks spread, many began to question the safety and ethics of using such substances. The controversy was unavoidable and for a time threatened to overshadow the benefits of protein powders. It's important to note that while some chose to use performance-enhancing substances, many others did not. These individuals relied solely on their training, nutrition, and yes, protein powders, to reach their fitness goals. In the face of these challenges, the industry had to adapt. Manufacturers worked tirelessly to improve the taste, texture, and digestibility of their products. At the same time, they distanced themselves from the controversies surrounding performance-enhancing substances. They did this by promoting the natural benefits of protein and the role it plays in muscle recovery and growth. These hurdles, however, weren't enough to halt the march of protein powders. Despite the controversy and the challenges, the demand for protein powders continued to grow. The fitness world had found a viable, valuable tool in its pursuit of physical excellence, and it wasn't going to let it go easily. The stage was set for the next chapter in the history of protein powders, a chapter that would see the rise of dominant brands and influencers who would shape the industry as we know it today. With the growing demand for protein powders, competition heated up. The marketplace was set ablaze with brands vying for supremacy. Among the contenders, two names stood out: Weider and Hoffman. These two titans of the protein powder industry went head-to-head, each offering their unique formulations and capturing the attention of fitness enthusiasts everywhere. Weider, a brand synonymous with bodybuilding, introduced products that were well received by the fitness community. On the other side, Hoffman, a name etched in the annals of sports nutrition, presented protein powders that were equally compelling. They were more than just brands. They were the champions of a new era in fitness, an era where protein powders were becoming as essential as dumbbells and barbells. But it wasn't just the brands that were influencing the protein powder boom. Early influencers played a significant part in promoting these supplements. These pioneers in the fitness world were the torchbearers of the protein powder revolution. They understood the benefits of these supplements and were not shy about sharing their knowledge with the world. They were the ones who helped debunk the myths and misconceptions surrounding protein powders, paving the way for their widespread acceptance. Influencers were the voices that echoed in the gyms and fitness centers, extolling the virtues of protein powders. Their endorsements amplified the visibility of these supplements and solidified their status as key components of fitness routines. This was a time of intense competition and innovation, a time when brands and influencers were shaping the landscape of sports nutrition. It was a period of growth and acceptance, with protein powders steadily becoming a staple in the fitness world. As the dust settled, protein powders had secured their place in the pantheon of fitness essentials. Fast forward to today, protein powders have come a long way from their humble beginnings. Now, they're not just a supplement for bodybuilders and athletes, but a convenient source of protein for anyone leading an active lifestyle. Let's take a moment to marvel at the advancements in the formulation of protein powders. We've gone from rudimentary, chalky concoctions to a vast array of delicious, easy-to-digest options. Today you'll find protein powders derived from a variety of sources, catering to different dietary preferences and needs. There's whey and casein from dairy, egg protein for those who prefer animal-based sources, and plant-based proteins like pea, hemp, and rice for the vegans among us. But it's not just about the source. Modern protein powders have been refined to provide optimal nutritional benefits. They are designed to deliver a balanced amino acid profile and often fortified with vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds like probiotics and digestive enzymes. This ensures that your body gets the most out of every scoop. And what does science say about all this? Well, it's largely positive. Numerous studies support the benefits of protein supplements for muscle recovery and growth, weight management, and overall health. Research has shown that protein supplementation can help enhance muscle protein synthesis, the process that helps repair and build new muscle tissue after exercise. With this in mind, it's no surprise that protein powders have become a staple in many people's fitness and wellness routines. Protein powders have also gained popularity for their convenience. In our fast-paced world, a protein shake can provide a quick and easy way to meet your daily protein needs. Whether you're rushing off to work in the morning or refueling after a workout, protein powders offer a simple solution. In the end, protein powders have proven their worth, standing the test of time and scientific scrutiny. They've evolved alongside our understanding of nutrition and fitness, and continue to provide an effective, convenient way to support our health and performance goals. So, there you have it, the complete and unusual history of protein powder and protein supplements. We've journeyed from the inception of protein powders in the mid-20th century, through their rise in popularity, navigating the challenges and controversies along the way. We've seen the dominance of brands and influencers and how they've shaped the evolution of these supplements. In the modern age, protein powders have become a staple in fitness regimes around the globe, and their importance cannot be understated. They've helped countless individuals reach their fitness goals, from building lean muscle to aiding in recovery after rigorous workouts. Despite the rocky start and the hurdles faced, protein powders have come a long way. They've managed to carve out a significant place in the world of fitness and nutrition, and it's safe to say that they're here to stay. If you found this video useful, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to check out our calorie and protein calculator in the description to kickstart your fitness journey. And before you go, thank you so much for watching our video, and please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want to find out the 6 ways to keep your prostate healthy, watch the video on your screen next.